Welcome to the money illusion. Most of us think we're getting wealthier because the numbers in our bank accounts are rising, but we're often ignoring an invisible thief: inflation. Wealth is rarely what is printed on a paycheck. To understand your true legacy, you have to look past the nominal figures and recognize how inflation silently eats away at your buying power. The math of daily life changes across generations. To see the reality of inflation, let's trace the true purchasing power of a starting salary over time. 2 generations ago, a modest civil servant's salary could support a family of 4. That single By the second generation, starting salaries had doubled, but that double income bought half the security. Modern expenses began to consume everything, leaving little room for the future. In the modern era, high face value yields zero purchasing power. A salary that once seemed like a fortune can now barely cover the basics. The big numbers have become a mask for low, real. Look at the disconnect. While nominal income moves upward, purchasing power stagnates. This expanding gap represents the hidden cost of living that traditional bank statements won't show you. This is the psychological trap of the money illusion. It's an economic phenomenon where we focus on the face value of our money rather than what that money can actually buy. A 100% return is often a mirage. If you sell a property for double what you paid 30 years ago, but can't afford to buy a similar home with the proceeds, you haven't increased your wealth, you've simply tracked the currency's decline. Understand the difference. Nominal value is your face amount. Real value is your actual market power. One creates a false sense of progress, while the other grounds you in economic reality. Use the replacement test. When you realize a gain, ask yourself, can these proceeds replace the exact asset I just sold? If the answer is no, your profit was consumed by the cost of living. This is the real wealth equation. Your nominal return minus annual inflation equals your real return. If your assets aren't outpacing inflation, you are effectively losing money every single day. Stop focusing on the digits and start focusing on utility. Inflation is a quiet force, and true wealth is measured by what your money can actually do for you. Always adjust for the times.